Laughter Buddies, and welcome back to a Man's Laughter Yoga Part 2 laughter session. If you haven't done Part 1, please go back and do it. It's really important to prepare your mind and body for the laughter yoga session. And then when we finish this Part 2, we'll do Part 3, the Yoga Nidra, which is the relaxation. And the three parts together give you the full experience. Okay, for those of you who have done Part 1, well done. You're warmed up, raring and ready to go. So today I thought, because so many people will have had to cancel holiday plans or at least put things on hold, that with laughter we can safely go anywhere that we want to go. So I thought we'll perhaps take a trip. So today we're going to go to the rainforest and have an adventure. So without further ado, here we go. So, the first thing we do, we've arrived at the airport. We have to take the taxi ride to the starting point of our adventure. And in my experience, the taxi ride has often been as much of an adventure, if not more, than a lot of the rest of the holiday trip, to be fair. So, we're going to have the white knuckle ride to our starting point. So we get into the taxi. I don't know if it's because we're on the opposite side of the car, of the different side of the road from usual, or generally road etiquette seems to be quite different in other countries from the British society. But either way, whichever way, it can be a bit scary. But we're not going to worry about it because we're laughter buddies and we laugh everything off. It's okay. We know everything will pass. We'll be all right in the end. So we're in the car. We get into the car. We're a little bit nervous. We know that we're expecting this to be a little bit tricky. We've heard that driving is a bit bizarre in this region. But anyway, let's go. Oh, he's starting the engine. Here we go. Hold on tight. Oh, screechy around the corner. Oh, it's like being at a fun fair or something that's not really that fun. Woo! Another corner. Woo! Oh, there's something in the road. Oh, here we go again. Whoa! Very good, yay! Very good, yay! So, we've arrived at our starting point. We have our rucksacks that have, until now, have been moved around for us pretty much. So, let's put them onto our backs. It's pretty tough. We've been travelling for a while already and we've got a big hike ahead of us. I think that we might have to repack. Reconsider. Now that we know that we're going to have to carry this ourselves, there's no Sherpas in the rainforest, maybe we'll travel a little lighter. So let's, using our gibberish, let's reevaluate which things are going to be essential and which aren't. So we're starting with something like this. We want to end up with something like this. So, ni fortfarande ingen harder. Det är fullskaligt hårdare det är med här. Jag får det så det hela. No. If I hear for here. If you're if I talk with you skip. What about it? I think you for att kunna fortfarande med det. If I ja, så där på det kine på här det här på. If you has kind of on head here. It will hurt the yeah. If I get a walk, square kiss, cover the kitty, and the father would have for the father. Why was it kind of go in it? If I order, and order, if order, no father, no hat, would have what was kind of with it, and here are if we had it off it, net, curry, hold up, did it, but I for it, whatever. Det ska vara det minjade fortgade hela. Hey! Well done! Very good, yay! Very good, yay! So, we can collect the rest of the stuff when we get back. But for now, ta-da! We only need this little knapsack on our back. Woo! That brings to mind a song. So, here we go. We're going to do a song. And of course, in laughter, we just use hoes, he's and ha's. We don't need to know the words, but we're going to sing my knapsack on my back. Or I love to go wandering, as it's also known, as I found out. So, with our little knapsack, here we go. Ha 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 Very good, very good, yay! Very good, very good, yay! Woo! Without all that singing has helped us on that great long trek that we've had to do through the rainforest, and we've arrived at our first camp. Woo-woo! So, we need to, of course, oh, hold on a minute. Oh, what's that? Oh, it's bugs. It's not funny, but it's tickly. Oh. They did warn me about this, but I thought that the natural version of DEET was going to protect me from the bugs. I was wrong. Very good, yay! We need to apply bug cream, that's for sure. Anti-bug cream, which is also a cream to soothe the bug bites that we already have. It's a very special formula. And so we're going to take some of this cream and we're going to do some breaths at the same time. So open up your shoulders, sit comfortably in your hips. If you're on a chair, make sure that you've got a nice straight pose. You're feeling comfortable and relaxed. It helps to close your eyes for the breathing, but you don't have to. You can just soften your gaze. But just get some of the cream on your hands. We're going to take 5 nice breaths, and as we smooth on the cream, we're going to feel that cooling, soothing sensation. And we're going to breathe in with a stroke and out with a downward stroke, and then swap arms, okay? Are you ready? So, breathe in and out. Remember, we're making our out breath slightly longer than our in breath to bring our heart rate down. And again, breathe in and out. And again, breathe in and out. Feel the soothing, cooling relaxation of the out breath. Again, breathe in and out. Last one. Breathe in and out. Very good, very good, yay. Very good, very good, yay. Okay, so we're at base camp. we're now protected from the bugs. We're soothing and cooling from the bugs that already got through. And we're going to have a drink, of course. Time for drink and snack. So what we need to do before we can have a drink is we need to light the campfire. So we'll light the campfire, ready? We've got tinder. We like traditional ways in laughter yoga. So we go shh, 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 shh. It will light easily because they've promised they've put something. Here we go. And then we're going to do gradient laughter, which starts with a little laughter with the little flames. We've put the water on in anticipation of it boiling. So we've got the little laughter with the little flames, and it's gradually going to build as the flames build and the water boils. So big flames and boiling water. Very good, very good. Yay! Very good, very good. Yay! Oh, fabulous. So we've got boiling water, we've got our cups here, and we've got our soluble drink powder, which could be anything that your heart desires. One of the things we don't have though is a spoon. So what we're going to do is we're going to put a little bit of the soluble drink powder in there. And remember, whatever it is that your heart desires, that's what that soluble drink powder is going to make. We're going to take another second cup. We're going to put some hot boiling water in there, and we're going to mix it up. Are you ready? It's a bit like a milkshake, surprisingly. You ready? Ooh, ooh, ooh. And then we drink it down with laughter. Ooh, that was surprisingly good. Shall we have another? I think so. Ooh, 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 and drink it down with laughter. One more for luck. Let's do it. Ooh, 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 ooh. It's got a frog in it. Very good, very good. Yay! Very good, very good. Yay! Oh, so now we've had a drink. It's quite nice to have a snack. Oh, what's that? You have a special snack for us. Ooh, how exciting. It's crispy and, oh, it's buggy. It's crispy bugs. I'm sure it's quite delicious and it's very nutritious. Oh, and it helps your skin with the bugs. Let's have a go then. It's interesting looking. I don't want to look at it. I'm going to just put it in without looking at it. Could be some kind of, for the vegans out there, could be, or vegetarians, it could be some kind of exotic leafy thing. But it's crispy anyway. Let's try. Oh gosh, stuck. My teeth are stuck together. Oh, it's quite tasty. Well, that was not as expected, but it was interesting. I might try another without looking too closely. Let's just get it in there. Oh, stucky again! Oh, that one was more interesting. Still sticky. Let's try just one more. Ready? Very good, very good, yay! So, that was interesting to say the very least. But whilst we've been having our drink and a snack, the light has fallen. And although the canopy of the rainforest is quite dense, we can see through. There's no light pollution out here, and we can see the stars brightly shining through. So we're just going to take a few breaths while we stargaze just for a bit. So again, shoulders nice and wide to open up your chest to let the air in. We're going to do shorter in breath, longer out breath. Are you ready? We're going to do 5 breaths. Let's go. Start with empty lungs. And breathe in and out. Breathing in the wonder that is this beautiful twinkling sky. It's just incredible. You can see the constellations, you can see the Milky Way bits going on as well. It's just beautiful. Again, breathe in and out. And as you breathe out, you feel yourself relaxing and becoming even more in touch with nature. Breathing in not only air, but also the environment, the wonder and beauty that's around us in this amazing sky. Really breathe in and out. And again, breathe in and out. It's making you feel so relaxed to be in this at one with nature. Feel so close to it. And last breath. Breathe in and out. Very good, very good. Yay! Very good, very good. Yay! So, following morning, we've had a pretty good night's sleep, surprisingly. We're under a net, so there were no bugs or critters coming in. And we're going to go have a look, see if we can find us some wildlife. And one of the types of laughter that we practice quite a lot is silent laughter. It's a really good one to practice because you can do it anywhere and nobody will know. So if you feel like everything's getting a bit intense and you just need to loosen up a bit, you can do silent laughter. You do it in the shower if you're embarrassed for other people to hear you. You still got the breath going on, but not the sound. The facial expression, because of course the smile tricks the brain into releasing all the happy endorphins, etc. And the oxygen is the important part for getting the flow. So we're creeping along in the rainforest, and we don't want to we're a bit excited. We don't want to disturb the wildlife. Very good, yay! Very good, yay! But then suddenly, we do see something. It's a leopard. Oops, I couldn't hold him in. It was so scary and exciting and everything at the same time. There it is again. I know it's a leopard, but we're doing lion laughter because we're opening our eyes wide, we're sticking out our tongue as far as it will go, and we're laughing. Then one more time, you ready? Very good, yay! Very good, yay! One of the other things that there are a lot of in the rainforest is frogs. So we're going to listen out for some of the frogs. And there are some, like a teeny tiny golden dart poison frog. And it makes a teeny tiny noise because it's a teeny tiny frog, but it's incredibly deadly. Can you hear any? Let's listen out for one. Oh, there we go. Can you hear it? It's like a tiny giggle. You hear it? Oh dear. Oh look, and there's some sort of medium-sized frogs just lolloping around by the edge of the swampiness. Just going, ha 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 ha. And oh my goodness, there's one there, it's the size of a rabbit. They actually have frogs the size of rabbits in the rainforest. That's true, I looked it up. Can't remember what they were called. But look at them. Can you imagine a laughing rabbit-sized frog? Very good, very good, yay! Very good, very good, yay! Oh, that brings us to the end of our rainforest adventure. All that remains for us is to draw in some of this fabulous love and laughter that we've generated today. So we're going to adopt the laughter warrior stance, get nice and sturdy and comfortable in your warrior pose. And then we're going to drag in 3 breaths. The first one, we've got a bit of a routine now. So the first one we're going to send out to all the key workers out there and support workers who are doing their bit to keep us all, the rest of us, safe and healthy. And then we're going to think about someone in our lives who we believe could use some extra love and laughter in their lives. And so we're going to send that one straight out to them. It's very personal to you. And then the third one, we're going to drag in a great big one and we're going to keep it for ourselves because we're worth it. You're so amazing to have committed this time to yourself. Your body and mind will be very grateful to you, and you deserve to store away some extra love and laughter just for you. And when you do the Yoga Nidra next, it will help to consolidate that and lock it down for you. Okay, so you ready? 3 breaths. First one out to the universe, second one out to special people to you, third one just for you. Ready? So, breathe it in. And send it out to the universe. And again, breathe in. And send it out to your special people. And finally, the one for you, big one, get it all in. Keep it for yourself. Very good, very good, yay! Very good, very good, yay! Thank you so much for coming along and joining me for these laughter exercises. It's my absolute pleasure to do this with you. Please remember to go on now and do a part 3 or any Yoga Nidra that you enjoy from the internet, or indeed, if you've got a group of friends there together doing it, one of you could lead the Yoga Nidra. It's a beautiful thing to do together, and it's really relaxing and nourishing. I recommend it highly. Thank you for joining me. I'll see you again soon. Namaste.